So good morning everyone. This is the money shot of the six startups coming for Joka Capital Pitch Day. Here we have a cricket ball symbolizing Crick IQ, which is Crick IQ by Sports Engage is a cricket AI analytics tool which Kunal Abhishek and Samik Datta will be presenting to us. And Kunal is from 39th batch. Then we have a mortar and pestle set for grinding spices. This is again symbolizing what is called Virtuoso Cafe. It's still in the stealth mode, but by Gaurav Thapar, who is from the 41st batch. Then in between there is Up Your Fit's Thermogel, one of their hero products, and it helps you into pre-workout. There is a similarly Cryogel, which works on cold therapy post-workout to speeden up your recovery. And then here is Farm Didi's famous Lal Mirch Ka Char. I personally like it very much. And this is by Anukrit and Manjari from the 51st and 52nd batch respectively. And now I will switch to front camera, and there are two more products. So again there are symbolizing the Rudraksh Mala is symbolizing Devsthan, and the shirt is symbolizing Eccentric. So Eccentric's hemp shirt is there, and this is Rudraksh Mala. So now I think we should talk about the startups, right? So Kunal and Samik have been 2 times founder. Together they have built a company and sold it to Myntra, and that is a very strong signal for any potential investor. So look out for them. They will be, I think, first or second pitch during the Joka Capital Pitch Day. Then second, and if you have noticed by now, I'm going batch wise. So now Virtuoso Cafe, Gaurav and I have been in talks for almost a year. We went to Joka together during the International Entrepreneurship Summit, which was organized by IIM Calcutta, and he has been experimenting with this menu design and how to improve the revenues of a restaurant while utilizing their assets better, which is their kitchen, right? So he's been working with the US clients in the Bay Area for some time, and look out for how he's going to improve the output, or let's say the efficiencies of these restaurants. Then coming to from 41st batch, and again Gaurav Thapar is from 41st batch, and people who are not familiar with these terminologies, he's from 2006 pass out batch. 2006 to 2007 and 42nd batch. Let's go to Vikram. So Vikram Gunjal and Munish Vig, they have been building Up Your Fit. They know each other for last 15 plus years. They are family, I think, related as well. And what they bring is something unique. Vikram brings 16 to 17 years of experience from FMCG, and the way he puts it is the best. कि तेल साबुन बेचा अभी खुद का बनाते हैं. And so he is basically the marketing strategy and sales guy. And Munish ji has been working in the pharmaceutical industry for close to 25 years. If any of you know about Tiger Balm, he used to head their production worldwide, and now both of them complement each other very well, and they are already doing tremendously well. Jonty Rhodes is their investor and brand ambassador as well. I invested in them last year, and they have grown 5x in revenue terms, so they are currently around 7 crore in ARR. Now coming to one of the most fascinating stories which I have seen very closely is Farm Didi. And what Manjari is doing now is something which she, I think, almost wanted to do from at least her IIM Calcutta days, if not prior. And she did a project with government of Bihar in rural empowerment, and one thing which stuck with her was how to enhance and augment the income of rural people in the rural areas, and specifically rural women, because the money earned by the rural women goes into the education of the children for sure, and upliftment of their betterment of their lifestyle. So 4 years back, she left her lucrative career at A.T. Kearney and started rural empowerment by, building this D2C brand called Farm Didi. They are majorly into pickles, but they will move to spices and other related areas. Basically everything and anything and everything which can be procured from the same Didis. And Anukrit joined her in later, first in business and then in life. And Anukrit is my batchmate and was part of the sports council as well. So that is that. And now coming to the shirt which I'm wearing, it's a hemp plus linen plus Lycol. So Lycol comes from tree fiber, so it's 100% sustainable materials, and this is what I call the theme of better for you products, because at the end of the day, polyester is not good, and there are a lot of harms if we don't wear a good quality fabric. And I think that's where, in fact, my lounge pant which I'm wearing right now, I think, which was visible in the Joka Capital launch video, that is also hemp fabric. So I've been using their products for last 3 years now. I got them associated with Mumbai Indians as a licensing partner then, and Salinder's story has been fascinating. He has built it grounds up single-handedly for last 5 years now. And now coming to Devstan, so Ankit from 56th batch, in fact, Aditya from Fleek recommended him to reach out to me, and I would have said flat no 2-3 years back, but I think religious tech startups are something which are here to stay, and they, as long as they sell it in the right way, it really helps the society as well. So here, once again, thank you for watching if you have come till the end, and I wish all the best to all the Joka Capital startup participants, and I think most probably look out for this space for live pitching as well, 24th 4:50 PM onwards, 24th May. Thank you. Betting on Bharat. Jai Hind.